adjustment. The first adjustment says during the year ended 31st July 2006, Salem took goods costing 1260 for his own use. Can you tell me what is this?
Goods for own use.
Minus purchase.
Goods
Yeah.
for own use, the effect of this, I want the effect of this only on the income statement. So what is the effect for goods for own use in the income statement?
So common the cost.
Cost
Whatever
Yeah,
is over
COS.
here, right? You're going to
Yes.
adjust goods for own use where in the purchases?
Yeah.
Where are you going
Yes.
to adjust the goods for own use? In your purchases?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So you're going to adjust the goods for own use in your purchases. So you will go to purchases and write over there minus adjustment number 1. And over here you will write less from purchases. It is coming in the cost of sales section, but you are going to deduct it from purchases. So
Yeah.
this you have to write it in your book or wherever you're doing it. Is it done?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Let's go to the next one. Second adjustment. Provision for doubtful debts is to be maintained at 2% for debtors. They have shared the information related to debtors, and they've given you this. They have given you this adjustment. What will you do? Can you tell me?
So you take 2% of 9,000.
Do you all agree? You will take 2% of 9,000.
Yes.
Okay, so I'm taking 2% of 9,000. How much is it coming up to?
9,000.
So I think it should be like 450
180.
or 180.
Okay, so 2% of 9,000 is coming as 180.
180.
Okay. Provision for doubtful debts. It is always in this equation, old minus new.
Yes.
Can you look in your trial balance? What is the old PDD?
130.
Can you look in your trial balance? What is your old provisions?
130 इधर है.
Yeah, you can see this.
Yes.
So your old provisions is 130. So old provision is 130 and new provisions is the one that you have calculated. Can you see over here?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. New provisions you have calculated. Old provisions is 130. Now put it in the equation. What is the equation?
Old minus new.
So
Old
130.
minus new. What is the answer? Positive or negative?
Negative. The expenses.
Other expenses. How much you will write in other expenses?
50 minus 50.
Answer is minus 50. Minus 50 will come in other expenses. Minus 50 will come in other expenses. If you make the balance sheet, then in the balance sheet, 180 will be deducted from your debtors. That we will see when we do a balance sheet sum. So now how will you record it? You have the trial balance in front of you. Do you have it?
Yes.
Yes. So what will you do? You will write other expenses. And what will you write?
Other expenses, then write RBDD.
Other
provision for-
expenses, RDD, how much you will write?
The negative 50. Yeah,
And in
negative
the
50.
bracket, you can show 130 minus 180, old minus new.
Yeah. Yeah. This can I bring my WhatsApp? Hold on.
क्यों?
PPT I think उधर ही है. इसकी.
लेके आओ. So what did we do? The
Drawings
new
out.
information that we are doing, all this is doing markings, okay? In the purchases, we did one marking. I am putting this in red. In the purchases, we did one marking. There was adjustment number 1 that has to be adjusted in the purchases. Are you all with me?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Provision for doubtful debts, that would be old minus new. It is negative how much?
50.
50. Negative 50 has to come in other expenses. So I'm writing PDD, adjustment number 2, minus 50, and I'm writing this OE. So when I'm going to make my income statement, my markings would suffice me. With me?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Let's do the third adjustment. Who's going to give me the effect of the third adjustment? This is the information there in the trial balance related to equipment. I have just removed and put it over here for ease. बच्चे को नाश्ता उसको बोलो पहले ब्रश करे फिर करे और वो तो टेबल सही करके भी जगह पे रख देना. Who can give me the effect of this adjustment?
Equipment is to be depreciated at 10% annum using the reducing balance method. Just reduce the equipment by 10%.
Rohit,
Yes, miss.
what do you think?
क्या 5,000 को माइनस करना है 950 से फिर उसका 10% निकालना?
Prishna, what do you think?
I'm not sure.
Which method is this?
Reducing balance
Reducing
method.
balance method.
मतलब बैलेंस को क्या करने बोल रहा है?
Reduce करना.
बैलेंस
Reduce
को रिड्यूस करने बोल रहा है और चार्ज क्या करना है?
5%.
डेप्रीसिएशन. डेप्रीसिएशन के दो इफेक्ट्स जरा बताएंगे. What do you remember about the two effects of depreciation?
It will come in as other expenses.
It will come in other expenses and
Debt rate and statement of financial position.
an NCA second column.
Yes.
It will be added. But right now we are making only the income statement, so I'm only interested in this part.
Yes.
The whole thing is the calculation. How do you calculate? Which method?
Reducing balance method.
And in the
Yeah.
trial balance, this is the two information that is given related to equipments.
Yeah.
How will you do it?
Yeah.
You have to reduce balance. Reducing balance method. That means you charge depreciation on the reduced balance. Okay? Which method is this? Is the reducing balance.
Balance method.
Which method is this?
Reducing balance method.
Reducing balance method. That means you're going to charge depreciation on the reduced balance. If I say I am charging depreciation on the reduced balance, so first reduce the balance. So 5,000 minus 950. See, when I do minus, I always put the amount in brackets. You should be mindful of the way you present your things. So I'm
Yes.
reducing the balance. 5,000 minus 950. What is the reduced balance?
5,000 minus
12%
950.
The reduced balance is 4050.
4050.
Are you with me?
Yes.
Yeah.
Now, on this reduced balance, I have to charge how much depreciation?
10%.
So
10%.
into 10%. So this will come how much?
4050 times
405.
105.
Yes.
Okay. What does this 405 represent?
405 represent the equipment.
No, equipment is
It's
this.
the amount depreciated.
What does
Equipment
405 represent?
Equipment
The
at
amount
cost.
depreciated.
This represents depreciation for the current year.
Okay.
What does this represent?
Depreciated for the current year.
Depreciation for the current year. Depreciation for the current year, where will it go?
Depreciation for the current year. Other expenses.
Other
Depreciation of current year, where will it go?
Other
expenses.
expenses.
So this will go in other expenses. Okay. How much will go in other expenses? 405.
Hmm.
Are you with me?
Yes.
Okay. And if you make your balance sheet, in this NCA second column that you mark over here, you will just add this 405. In the
Okay.
second column, you will add this 405 and put the total in the second column.
Yeah, okay.
Are you with me?
Yes.
Okay, so this 405 has to be put in the current year other expenses. So I'm again going to my trial balance, and what will I write? Depreciation of
Depreciation
equipment.
of equipment.
How did I calculate it? 5,000 minus 950 because it was the reduced balance into 10%. I got it as 405, and this I'm going to record it as other expenses.
Yes.
With me?
Yes.
Do it and waiting. Whenever you do a sum of the income statement, there is one thing that has to compulsorily come in your additional information. The thing that has to compulsorily come in your additional information, first thing that has to come is your closing inventory. The first thing that has to come in your additional information is closing inventory. Either they directly give you your closing inventory or they will indirectly give you. If they directly give it to you, no problem, fine. You just take it and put it. But when they indirectly give you, that means they will either give you your margin or they will give you your markup, and you will have to find your closing inventory. So this sum is indirectly giving you your closing inventory with the help of margin and markup, whatever is there. You have to find the closing inventory. Can you read this adjustment please for me?
Because of the illness, Salem was unable to value stock on 31st July 2006. Salem's gross profit margin is now 25%.
25%. So you don't have to do anything for it. You will simply go and start making your income statement and start putting your things. Putting your things, that means you will start putting revenue, or you will put sales minus sales return, then less cost of sales. In cost of sales, everything that you have to do, opening plus purchases minus closing. Okay, now look the way I am presenting over here. Sales minus sales return, the figure you will get over here. Am I clear? Sales you will do here, sales return you will do here, you will get the figure here.
Yes.
When you are doing your cost of sales, your opening figure would be in the second column. Yes?
Yes.
Everything related to purchase will happen over here.
Yes.
Purchases, main answer would come over here.
Yes.
Opening plus purchases, you arrive at an answer. Yes?
Yeah. Yes.
Yes.
Minus closing inventory, this is the thing that you have to find out. Because closing inventory is given indirectly. So this figure you don't have, because of which you will not have your main cost of sales figure. So you will put it in a box and you will write gross profit. So what things you don't have, you will put it in a box. 1, 2, and 3. And then I will teach you how to do it. So try compiling the information and come up till here. And I will teach you how to do it.
Yes.
Start.